Fresh update on the Kullu tragedy. HRD Minister Smriti Irani will visit the site from where students went missing in Kullu. Aishwarya is with us. Aishwarya, I believe this is going to be a major stock taking on part of the HRD Minister who's visiting Kullu. What can you share with us?
Well, that's right, Afrida. That's what we are being told, that the HRD Minister Smriti Irani will be visiting the site, as these were college students who are feared, missing all 24 of them. But we are being told that the government of India is really sincere and they would go into the detail of what exactly went wrong. But at the end of the day, what they are trying to say is trying to save as many as they thus whatever requirement is done, the central government would rather assist, and now the HRD minister would not only take care, or rather would not only personally see the situation, but she would also report back to the government of India and directly to the Prime Minister's office. So very clearly, government of India really sincere on this very tragic incident in Kullu. But as of now, here, Cabinet Minister for Human Resource and Development, Smriti Irani, will be in Kullu today itself.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks so much for updating us on that. Well, let's just tell you more about this incident. These were students on an excursion trip to Himachal Pradesh, but this holiday turned out to be tragic for 24 students travelling from Hyderabad, as they are now feared to have been washed away by the Beas river, by waves in the Beas river rather, after a hydropower plant allegedly discharged water into the river without any warning. A massive search operation has been launched to track the students, and 5 bodies have been recovered so far. NDRF personnel are engaged in the relief and rescue operations.
Mr. Kanwar, what is the latest that you can tell us about this search operation?
We are already on the job. There are several teams of rafters which are in the river right now, and we are also scanning the whole area from here to Pando to see if some have drifted to the sides of the river and to find out the bodies. So it will take a little more time to get a definite picture how many of them are found, because it's very difficult and risky operation, so it will take some time.
Any definite word on how this incident happened? Because 24 of them were washed away. Some say the water was released. What exactly happened?
The information that is with us right now is that Pando Dam, this Largi Dam people released some water because they had taken a shutdown during the day, but as per the information, they had followed the all warning system and everything. But students must have ventured near the river, and they must be in the rocks by the side of the river and taking pictures. So that's the reason, because otherwise 1 or 2 students getting washed away can be understood. But whole 24 of them getting washed away is because of sudden rise in water only. So that inquiry will be conducted by the district administration of Mandi, because it falls in Mandi district. So only after that we will be in a position to know exactly what happened.
हम इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट के वास्ते आए थे यहाँ पे, 48 स्टूडेंट्स होते, और ये 6:30 बजे हुआ था हादसा। और क्या है, वो सूखा हुआ था वो वैली, तो हम सोचे 1-2 पिक्चर्स निकाल के नीचे जाके, और फिर क्या हुआ, वो 10 मिनट के बाद 1-2 आदमी हमारे और चिल्लाने लगे, और हमने सोचा कि वो हमको वैकेट करने के लिए बोल रहे थे। और फिर एक आवाज़ सुनाई दिया मुझे, वो ऊपर से वो लोकल आदमी था, वो बोल रहा था कि गेट खुला हुआ है, हमको निकलना पड़ेगा। पर मैंने कोशिश किया मेरे दोस्तों को अलर्ट करने के लिए, पर मेरा आवाज़ चला गया। वो तब मैं भाग के गया वहाँ पे, 1-2-3 लोगों को निकलने के लिए कोशिश किया, पर विद इन अ स्पैन ऑफ 5 to 6 सेकेंड्स वो वाटर लेवल राइज हुआ 6 फीट तक। वर्स्ट पार्ट इज द रेस्क्यू टीम जो है, वो 3 घंटे तक कोई भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं था उससे। एंड जब हमने एक पुलिस ऑफिसर से पूछा क्या वो नेट्स वगैरह वो लगा है, क्या उसका इंतजाम हुआ क्या वो डैम के करीब, बोले तो उन्हें बोल रहा था कि कंट्रोल रूम को कॉल करके हमको कंफर्म करना पड़ेगा। सो ऐसा था रेस्पॉन्स उन लोगों से।
मॉर्निंग में वी विल स्टार्ट एट 4:35, जिसमें डाइवर जो हैं वो नंगल से बुला लिए गए हैं, और लोकल डाइवर सुंदरनगर से एसडीएम सुंदरनगर की ड्यूटी लगाई है कि वो उसको लेके आएंगे। और राफ्टिंग के लिए डीसी कुल्लू उनसे बात हुई थी, उन्होंने राफ्टर्स अरेंज कर दिए हैं। बाय 4:30 दे विल बी हेयर। तो राफ्टिंग का जो हम जहाँ पे एक्सीडेंट हुआ है वहाँ से कोई 100 मीटर के आसपास से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे राफ्टिंग, और इसके साथ और मोटर बोट भी हमारे पास है यहाँ पे, और मोटर बोट से भी हम बॉडी को रिट्रीव करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
सभी टीम्स यहाँ पे पहुँच रही हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज कर दी गई हैं टीम्स, और डाइवर्स हैं और राफ्ट्स वगैरह जो हैं वो उनको हम अभी बस इमीडिएटली जो है उनको अभी फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग में हम इनको जो है रिवर में और ये रिजर्वायर में इसमें उनको सर्च करने के लिए जो हैं अभी डालने वाले हैं।
आप बता सकते हैं मोहन जी कि क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं और क्या यहाँ पर किया जा रहा है, किस तरह से आप सर्च ऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं?
ये सर्च ऑपरेशन हमारे एसएसबी की तरफ से चलाया जा रहा है। अभी टीमों को 2 भागों में बांट दिया गया है। एक टीम आप जहाँ खड़े हैं उसके बाईं तरफ है, एक दाएं तरफ गई हुई है। ये हम रात को ही यहाँ पहुँच गए थे, लेकिन अंधेरा होने की वजह से रात को इसको सर्च को नहीं कर पाए। लेकिन अभी हमारी पूरी टीम इसको सर्च में लगी हुई है कि किसी तरह से जल्दी से जल्दी जितनी हो सके जो इंजरी हुई है, जो छात्रों की डेथ हुई है, उनकी डेथ बॉडी को जल्दी से जल्दी इस रिवर से निकाला जा सके।
So this is Beas River where this search operation is being conducted. In fact, 24 students are missing. They were, as we are told, Pradesh was sitting inside the river on the boulders, because at that point in time, the water level was quite low, and the students obviously they were on their way to Manali. They thought it safe to sit on the boulders, but suddenly the water was released from Largi project, which is a hydroelectric project. We've also been told that all the staff members, including the resident engineer, have been suspended with immediate effect because of a perceived negligence on their part of not alerting the locals downstream about this release of water. As a result of that, that sudden gush of water in fact washed away all those tourists, the students, 24 of them in the Beas River. And now we see, as we can see there, this is Pandor Dam, 35 kilometers downstream that point, and SSB men are looking for any clues whatsoever. They've not been found so far. Yesterday when this incident happened, no search operation could be launched, as it had already been dark at that time and it was too late for any kind of search operations to begin. But now the relief workers, in fact the search operations have begun. They've swung into action. This is a team of SSB Jawans who are looking for any clues of those 24 students.